If your Epic Games account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details about your account, including your username, email address associated with the account, and any messages or notifications you receive regarding the restriction. Step 2. Visit the Epic Games support page. Go to the Epic Games support website. Look for the section dedicated to account issues or restrictions. This is where you will find the necessary resources to start your appeal. Step 3. Submit a support ticket. Locate the option to submit a support ticket. Fill out the required fields with the information you gathered in Step 1. Be clear and concise in explaining why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Step 4. Provide evidence. If applicable, provide any evidence that supports your case. This could include screenshots, emails, or other documentation that demonstrates your compliance with Epic Games policies. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for a response from Epic Games support. They may take some time to review your case, so check your email regularly for updates. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction on Epic Games requires careful preparation and communication. By following these steps, you can effectively present your case and hopefully regain access to your account.